In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to create a customizable file upload form. First things first, you'll need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where all the magic happens. Here, you want to find the option that says Edit Site to open your site's editor. Once you have your site open in the editor, navigate to the page where you want your form. If you haven't created a form yet, now is the time to set one up. Look for the Contact and Forms option where you'll find everything you need to get started with adding or editing forms. If you're crafting a new form, simply drag and drop it onto your page. For those of you who already have forms, click on an existing form to edit it. Now let's move on to adding a crucial component, the file upload field. Click on plus add new field within your form, then scroll through the options until you find upload button or file upload. If you're on a free site, keep in mind that you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan for this feature. You can rename the field to something that fits your needs, like upload resume or upload design file for clarity. With the upload field added, it's time to delve into customizing file upload settings. Here you can choose which file types are permissible, ensuring that users upload only the formats you can work with, such as PDF, docx, JPG, etc. You can also set a file size limit. Wix allows up to 15 MB per file, but if you anticipate larger uploads, you might consider integrating external storage solutions. Additionally, you can decide on allowing a single file or multiple files per upload field, depending on your needs. Next, you'll want to configure your storage and notification settings. When files are uploaded, they automatically go to your Wix Media Manager, so accessing them later is straightforward. Just navigate to your dashboard and head to Wix Forms Submissions. Alternatively, you can enable email notifications under Form Settings, so you're immediately informed of new submissions. Designing the upload button is another aspect where you can infuse your personal touch. Choosing a suitable color, tweaking the text, or adding an icon can make your form more user-friendly and visually appealing. For instance, instead of a simple upload file, you might use attach resume to add a professional flair. Finally, it's imperative to test the form to ensure everything's functioning smoothly. Enter preview mode and publish your site to see your form live. Upload a test file to check if the process flows seamlessly. You receive submission alerts and the file lands correctly in the Media Manager or Form Submissions section. And there you have it, a fully functional and customized file upload form on your Wix site. I hope this guide has been helpful and you now feel equipped to make similar enhancements to your website. Thanks for watching and happy website building!